Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Iqbal Digital YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is artificial intelligence and its type. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is AI and its types. You just click in this website what is artificial intelligence and how does it works. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is artificial intelligence, how does it work and its type. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with the building smart machine capable for programming tasks that are typically required human language, while AI is the internship that your science and the multiple approaches for your achievement. Machine learning is the deep learning and in the particular creating programming shifted virtually and every sector of this tech industry. Understanding artificial intelligence. Broadly speaking, artificial intelligence system can be preferred a task commonly associated with the human conjugative functions that such we have to interrupting speech, playing for the games and identifying the partners. They typically learn how to do so by they have to processing massive amount of data, looking the partners and the models of their have to own decision making. In many cases, human will be supervisor and AI learning process is refined. Good decision that you have to discourage once you have, but it is the AI system that are designed for your learn without supervision and for instance by playing for the video game. Other you have over until eventually figures which are the rule how to win. Strong AI versus weak AI. Intelligence is the ticket to define which we have to why AI expert typically distinguish between strong AI and weak AI. Strong AI, strong artificial intelligence is also known as intelligence. Artificial general intelligence is a machine that can be solve the problems it's never to try it and work on your much like a human can. This is the kind of artificial intelligence sees in the movies like robots and the Westworld or a character data from your Star Trek and the next generation. The type of artificial intelligence does not actually exist yet. The creation of machine which the human level intelligence that can be applied for the any task of your holy grail. Many artificial intelligence researches, but a quest for artificial general intelligence has been fragmented with difficulty. Also now have to believe the strong AI research for the should be limited due to the potential risk of creating a powerful AI without appropriate guideline. Weak AI. Weak artificial intelligence sometimes refer to a narrow AI and the specialized AI. Operators within the limited context that are the stimulations of your human intelligence applied the narrow defined problem driving a car, transaction, human speech of crowding, content and website. Weak artificial intelligence is often focused on performing a single task extremely well. While these are machines that are be seen intelligence, they have to operate it under to the form of your constructions and limitation that even of the most basic human intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence examples are include Siri, Alexa, and other smart assistants, self-driving car, Google search, conversational bots, email spam filters, Netflix recommendations. Machine learning versus deep learning. Although the terms machine learning and deep learning come for up frequently and conversations about artificial intelligence, they should not be used for the inherent ability. Deep learning is the form of machine learning and machine learning is the subfield of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is algorithm to field data and computer for uses as statistical techniques that help to learn how to create a progressively better and task without necessarily having to have been specially programmed for that task. Instant ML algorithm used for the historical data and input the periodic new output values. The that of ML consists of the both supervised learning. Input is known as the thanks of label sets and unsupervised learning that is the accepted output are known as the due to for uses and unlabeled data sets. Deep learning is the type of machine learning that is used to run input throughout the biological inspiration. Neutral network architectures and neutral network contain a numbers of hidden that is throughout which heavy data is processed, allowing the machine that you go to the deep its learning, making connection with a waiting input for your best result. The four types of artificial intelligence: receive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Relative machine is the reactive machine follows the most of basic AI principles and it is the name of implies and it is the capable for using the intelligence and perceive for your react to word front of it.